What if the reason your Android battery is draining so fast isn't what you think it is? It's not just screen brightness or scrolling on apps all day. In fact, there are hidden settings and overlooked habits silently sabotaging your phone's battery life. And today, I'll show you the real culprits and the game-changing adjustments that can make your battery last hours longer every single day. If you're tired of charging your phone in the middle of the day, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the Tutorial Lab for more smart tech tips every week.
Dark mode everywhere. Let's start with something simple but surprisingly powerful. Dark mode. If you've got an AMOLED screen, every bright pixel drains more energy. Switching to dark mode system-wide means fewer bright pixels and more power saved. Here's how. Go to Settings, then Display, and turn on the Dark Theme toggle. But don't stop there. Apps like Instagram, YouTube, and even Google Chrome have their own dark mode settings. Turn those on too, and you'll see your battery thank you immediately.
Display brightness and auto brightness. Most people just crank it up and forget about it. But here's the trick. Keep your brightness at around 40 to 50% indoors. That's bright enough for comfort without wasting energy. What about auto brightness? Well, adaptive brightness is useful outdoors, but it actually causes your phone to constantly adjust using sensors and draining power. So if you're mostly indoors, try switching it off and adjusting manually. That small tweak can add an extra hour of screen time easily.
Connectivity culprits. Here's a sneaky one. Your connectivity settings. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC may not seem like a big deal, but when left on, they constantly scan for signals in the background, even when you're not using them. If you're not actively connected, turn them off. For example, Bluetooth searching for devices while you're not wearing earbuds is just wasted energy. And NFC, unless you're paying with Google Wallet daily, keep it off. These are the kinds of silent drains most people never notice.
So there you have it. 3 hidden culprits that silently kill your Android battery and the easy fixes that will keep you charged all day long. Which of these tips are you going to try first? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to the Tutorial Lab for more tech guides that actually make your life easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.